Heavana, guys, my MKP people, please balance me quickly. So the former MPs of MK that were Ababeluze case, do you remember them? Those ones that were removed from Parliament. So they went to the Johannesburg High Court, claiming that they were made to pay some money into Jacob Zuma's account. Come and defend it. I didn't read the things that I'm about to attach. I did not read them. I'm going to be reading them for the first time here. But apparently they're claiming Gutim. They were forced to, not forced, they were told to contribute towards Jacob Zuma's personal account, their salary, a bit of their salary, like 10,000. Let me attach this. Hey, I don't know. Guys, please balance me. Attack and I'm not attacking you guys. I'm also asking what's happening. Let me attach. So these are the applicants, as we all know them. I know Tamsana, since he's the one who has been or the spokesperson. But then what struck me at the bottom is Itigengogo or Apezans. Up this part that says Umkhonto is a political party. Then is out to Jacob Zuma. Then is out to Standard Bank, Capitec, Banking Association of South Africa, First Rand, Absa, Nedbank. Come and pin an attachment. Okay, now let's read here because I did not read this. The applicants campaigned for MK Party and persuaded the public to make a significant financial contribution to the party on assurances that the party was democratic and the funds would be administered to pursue policy that progressed the country. We did not campaign for the funds to be used as the sole discretion of Mr. Zuma. So bacele public by contribute imali towards Zuma. So Uzuma wrong imali. Akekho wrong. Okay, let me read. The applicants and other members of MK Party in Parliament were encouraged to donate part of their parliamentary salary from the National Assembly to Mr. Zuma's personal Capitec bank account. Many of the applicants made payments of 10,000 each to Mr. Zuma's private Capitec bank account as a sign of loyalty, on the basis that he would use the funds to run the party democratically in a manner consistent with their interim constitution. It's even more confusing. They paid him for loyalty. Okay, bullet 772. Unfortunately, the funds paid to MK Party members, or the funds paid to MK Party by members of the public, including ourselves, to the MK Party bank accounts and Mr. Zuma's personal bank accounts have been used in a manner inconsistent with the purpose that the public and ourselves were informed before payments were made. It follows that the applicants and any affected member of the public have a right to claim against the cited bank accounts and any other account that the first, second, and third responder used to receive the funds. So kuthiwa ke aba babe donate imali beyidonethele MK kuthiwa izosetyenziswa for abantu. They have a right to claim imali yabo. Hayibo, to claim imali yabo back. Umntu kule bank wayeyifake kuyo. Hayibo. As a result of Mr. Zuma's decisions, the applicants and our dependents have been left destitute. Had it not been for Mr. Zuma's unilateral decisions that have negatively affected us, we would not be financial ruin. In the above premises, the applicants have been left without alternative but to claim for compensation from the MK Party and Zuma bank accounts. Soli lonke abantu bafuna le mali yabo babeyidonate kuZuma lebebelane beyibhatala and bafuna nale ibidonatwe ngabantu. Hey, maybe it was a mistake to expel these people, guys. Yes, they are becoming more trouble. I think mhlambi if bakhuphe parliament and then babenzela mayor and councillors, then it would have been better. Or babafake nje legislator bangabagxothi completely, because ngoku they are just causing more trouble. So let me know what you think, my MK members, and funu teta because nizawundithuka. Let me know what you think. Yo.